Welcome back. Today we're heading into the heart of Deshaies on a guided walking tour. We'll be exploring the colorful village streets, from the famous filming locations of Death in Paradise to hidden local gems. Our guides are leading the way as we discover homemade treats, tropical fruit trees, and some of the best balcony views over the port. Let's head out and see what makes this Caribbean village so special.
Just to show you the place, and then we move, we cannot cross the bridge.
Let us go, my dears.
Recognize this house? No? This is actually the first Catchings bar for season 1 and 2. That was where they filmed it. Okay? So the new one is down the road, but they still sometimes use the inside of that restaurant in order to complete certain scenes from time to time. Okay, that's the first Catchings bar. Yeah, and here you have a souvenir boutique. You know, so you have all the goods that she offers. Some chips, watch out. Yeah. Some local chips. Okay, those.
They've got boys in a white bed in the greenhouse.
Yeah. So that's the Soursop tree. Yeah. If you want to go to the toilets, you can go at the Catchings bar, you can ask any restaurant, but you also have public toilets. That's that building in yellow here. The yellow building here. This is the toilets where you can go, public toilets. It looks like that. It was the former presbytery, the house of the priests that used to be there. Now, you know, they sold it, so it's full-time the police station of the city. But Sunday school still happens in the side, in that part. Okay.
Et j'ai fait ça, et finalement, me voilà, et je suis très bien là où je suis. Tu vois, en tant que Guadeloupe.
Wait.